Hey, come here. Come on. Come on. I got something for you this week. We're not gonna tell everybody, but let me tell you, this is one of the best things I cook. I've shared it one time before, but I'm gonna share it with you again today. So hang tight. What I've got here, this is about 3 pounds of pork belly. That's where bacon comes from. Good stuff, all right? And you can see, still have a fat cat on that side. It's fine, we're gonna let it render. We don't have a whole lot of fat on this side. I got that one little piece, and there you go. I just took him off. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, watch this. I'm gonna take, now this is about, I don't know, maybe 1.5 inches, and I'm gonna take and cut strips just right across it, just like this. Now, I know this may look like we're gonna end up with big pieces, and really we're not, because this is gonna shrink down as it cooks. But I'm gonna take and do the same thing, about the same size with this length. I can get about 3, I think, about 3 pieces out of each one. And that's good enough for me. I mean, you see, these are still pretty decent sized chunks. That's all right. We're gonna get them. Now this was a little smaller on this end. That's all right. We're not gonna panic. All right. So now I'm gonna take and I'm gonna put each one of these in this little half catering pan. Now, you can find pork belly a lot bigger than this. Generally, this is about the size I like to do, just because nothing's as good when it comes to smoked meat to me. Well, I won't say nothing, but a lot of things aren't as good the next day. So let's season this. What are we gonna season it with? I don't know of a thing better. We're gonna try magic ribs from Uncle Steve's Shake. This is good stuff. This is winning all kinds of cook competitions everywhere. If it's good enough to win competitions, it's good enough for your table, that's for sure. So we're gonna take and put a nice little covering. Now I wanna be sure, I wanna get it on all sides. Cover them well. Let's keep going. All right, that'll work. Now, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set this rack and I'm gonna put these pieces just like this. Like I said, I'm gonna cook them, and I'm gonna set this fat side down. These ought to smoke so pretty. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be some good ones. And I got lots of room here. I don't know why I'm crowding them. I want plenty of room for the smoke to go through. And we're gonna get a couple of hours worth of smoke on these to start with. So here we go. We got them all on this rack. I'm gonna take this entire rack to the smoker, and when I put them on, I'll bring you right back. We've got our smoker up. Today we're cooking on the top rack, and again, I'm just gonna put this whole rack right in here on top, right in the center. I want to take this probe and let's do this big piece right back here. I just want to keep an eye on the temp. Close him up. All right, now like I said, I'm gonna keep an eye on the temp on this, but my idea is to let this go a couple hours at 270, let it roll, get that smoke on it, and then we'll come back and check it, and that's when I'll bring you back. We're actually 2.5 hours in. We've let them roll in the smoke. Oh yeah, look at that. We've got some pretty color. Let's take and pull that probe out. Pick our rack up. There we go. All right, let's take them over to the table and I'll bring you right back. It's time to tender these babies up, and that's what we're gonna do. Let's put them all in this half catering pan right here. Okay. All right. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a stick of butter, and we let this sit out just a little bit so it's not too hard, and we're going to cut little pats of butter and put all over these little bites of goodness. Add a little bit of fat in there, and then take a little brown sugar, brand new bag, and let's there we go, little brown sugar. And then, one more thing we're gonna add. Let's put a little honey. All right. Now, little aluminum foil here. Wrap it up good and tight. All right, we're gonna put this back, same temp, back at 270 for another hour, just like this. I'll bring you back. Hour and a half Let's take our pan out. Time to go to the table. Let's take off our foil here and look. How are these doing? Oh my goodness. Yep. Tender as they can be. All right. Let's take them out. I'm putting these in another catering pan over here. This is a glaze that I made. It's got barbecue sauce. It's got apple jelly. It's got a little bit of butter in it. I'm gonna pour it over the top. It's also got a little hot sauce in it. Let's cover these up. I'm just pouring them over the top. I want about 15, 20 minutes maybe. Caramelize this. I'm going back on the heat. I'll take it off, bring it back, and that's when I'll bring you back. Let's take these out. Put them in another pan. They're hot. But let's put them out like this. Okay. Look at that. Is that pretty? Oh my gosh. Look. Gotta be just as tender as it can be. Hey, rolling hot, I'm still going in. Here we go. Gotta have the rest of it. Tender. Oh my goodness. Listen, I don't know what to tell you. If you don't make these, you're missing out. That's all I can tell you. Pork belly, burnt ends. They're so easy to do. I don't know why you wouldn't want to do them. Hey, thanks for sticking around. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe. I'll have another video just for you right here. Won't cost a dime. Hit that thumbs up. Share it. Hey, until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.